Available today, we're introducing 2 new add-ons: hyper-realistic AI voices with ElevenLabs and premium stock visuals from Getty Images. Let's check them out. Hey everyone, it's Charlotte from Pictory and we're really excited to show you our latest release. Introducing subscription add-ons. Our users are one of our biggest motivators in how we drive product development, and lately we've seen a lot of requests on our help desk. Thanks to your feedback, we're making it easier to customize your subscription with your favorite parts of Pictory without having to upgrade your full plan. If you need higher quality visuals for your videos, then you can get the Getty Images add-on for a low monthly rate. Or try some hyper-realistic AI voices with the ElevenLabs add-on. And if you're close to running out of your voice generation quota, the ElevenLabs add-on allows you to customize how many extra minutes you'd like to include with your subscription every month. Pick and choose what you want, when you want. Customize your Pictory subscription today.